بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Mechanical performance and metallurgical features of Prototyper Universal and 6 replica-like systems. This is a Portuguese Brazilian group. They wanted to look at different systems, and they did a comprehensive laboratory assessment of 6 replica-like instruments of the original Prototyper Universal brand system. They looked at regarding the design, mechanical performance, and alloy characteristics. So they had 6 systems: the Protaper Universal, which is from the supplier Switzerland; Edge Taper from Edge Endo, this is in the US, Tennessee; the U-File and U-File is from India; Go Taper and Super Files are from China, and Pluritaper is also from China, and the Multi-Taper is from a French company. So they had multiple different systems that are basically a replica of the Protaper system, and they wanted to look at the instrument by scanning electron microscope to see the design itself, for the spiral design, active tip or non-active tip, cross-sectional, presence of surface marks, and the manufacturer defects and deformities. Also some mechanical tests, cyclic fatigue, torsional and bending resistance tests, as well as metallurgical characterization, where they want to see the composition of the metal inside using energy dispersive X-ray spectroscopy and differential scanning calorimetry. So for the tests that were done, starting with the scanning electron microscope tests, all were within similar range in the exterior surface and the design itself, except for the tip design, in which they did not find any consistency between each system. And also for the surface texture and machining marks and deformities, Super Files were the best of the bunch, even better than the original Universal, the Protaper Universal. Moving on to the mechanical tests. For the cyclic fatigue, time to fracture of the time to fracture test had no statistical significant difference among all tested instruments, as well as for the torsional and edge or angle of curve. So they found no statistically significant difference within the mechanical tests. And for the metallurgical characterization, also EDS assessment revealed no difference. They had almost equiatomic ratio between the nickel and the titanium elements. However, the only difference between the 6 systems found here by the DSC analysis, that the phase transformation temperatures among the instruments, where some were presenting the martensitic characteristics and others full austenitic characteristics at the same testing temperature, which is 20. And that's the only difference that was found, and that would impact the behavior of the instrument. However, no other changes were detected. And they concluded that the overall replica-like systems were similar than the original regarding the torsion resistance, geometric design, and the composition. However, the only change was in the phase transformation when they subjected them to temperature change. That's all. Thank you.